Good afternoon. My name is Gregory Shaw, owner of Shaw Excellent Cleaning. We're doing a project today, an apartment complex, and we are using Cougar Chemicals, Best Chemicals, and a custom-made rig here to get the job done today. It's myself and 3 team members. We're doing all the concrete, all the curbing, and any ill spots on the building themselves. This is what we do every day. Every day is above freezing outside, we're cleaning something. Chick-fil-A's, Dairy Queens, commercial, industrial, residential cleaning. If it's dirty, we clean it. This is a customized trailer built by Mike and Billy Fields from Cougar Chemical. It's customizable so it can still fit in my garage at home. So that's always an awesome thing for safety and everything else. But this is twin tandem, twin operator. You got an 8.8 gallon and a 5 gallon system. So we can have 2 operators running at the same time, which increases efficiency and reduces the time, which increases profit. If I didn't love Mike and Billy and Carol and everybody, the whole team, then I wouldn't be successful as I am today. We built a relationship over the years, so I use the best equipment, the best chemicals, the best team that I can get as far as training goes, and I just take care of my people, man, and that's just what we do, try to be blessing each and every day. This rig is called Extra Thick. The new one we just purchased, her name is Lil Booty, you know what I'm saying? And everything you see here, as far as equipment-wise, has been purchased from Cougar Chemical. And by far, they're the best in the industry, and that's why I use them. So shout out to Cougar Chemical. Thank you guys for coming out and watching a little bit of the project today.